So, dear student, today we are going to have a discussion on a great topic, and that topic is who is more intelligent and sensible, who has more understanding, other girls or boys. There are many girls, they think that they are more sensible, intelligent, smart, and they are better than the boys. On the other hand, boys think that no, they are intelligent, smarter, and they have more understanding. So today we are going to have a discussion on this topic that really boys are more intelligent or girls. So let's start by talking about that.
Girls.
Girls are more intelligent and sensible.
Yes, sir.
And obviously you will prove that boys
Yes,
are more intelligent and sensible, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how can you say that boys are more sensible or intelligent rather than girls?
Yes. Firstly, I say my name. My name is Salim Ahmad, and today I prove boy are more intelligent than girls. Why? Because I, if I any seen like success person, he also boy. I never seen any girl say success.
That's why you always say girls have no minds.
Yes, I also
Why?
say because I know many girls. She has no mind. Any girl has
You know what?
no mind.
You know what? That sentence creates your mentality and also say your personality, how which type of man you are.
Okay, but I think my personality is better, and my face and look and everything. I my
That's that
no, no, no.
sentence. That
Let's
sentence.
let
That
me complete.
sentence. So your.
No, no. Let's yes, yes, showing attitude. No, it is not attitude. It is personality. Every day I fit my body, and then I say I am better than you. Okay.
Really?
Yes, really.
I never see.
This is your problem. You
Because
have
you know
no
what?
eye. You
Because
have
you
no
know.
eye. Then you
Because
not
you
never
don't know
see.
you get
But
fat.
if you
You
suppose
don't
that
know
if
you
you
get fat. What is the use of fitness?
yes.
You don't know. Then why you get day by day fat?
Just to say I never seen what is means you have no eyes, then you not never seen everything. If you have eyes, so you can see me because I am stand front of you. So
Yeah.
why you say I never seen what ever never seen means what?
Yeah, I
Yeah
say
means what?
never. I
Yeah
never
means
see your
what?
fitness body.
Yeah means what? Please tell me.
What? Yeah,
Just you say yeah.
because yeah, is showing my negative thought. Yeah,
Oh, but I think if you say yeah means you agree my sentence. Yeah.
yeah. You know what? Is all everything depend
What?
your everything depend your personality. How to show? If I say yeah, oh, you understand what I say?
Yes.
What?
Because I have good
I'm shocking.
mindset.
I'm
Yes.
shocking.
Yes.
I also say I'm shocking. Why you say I'm happy and good?
No, I'm not understand what you say. Your all sentence is not good. Then I say I'm not understand your sentence.
Okay, okay.
Firstly, you improve your mindset and your look and your personality. Everything. Firstly, you can prove. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay means you agree.
Yeah.
You are not better than
So
me.
I thought you try to
Matlab means
you
what? I am not
sorry
understand any
sorry.
Hindi sentence.
I
No.
thought it's your real sentence to convincing me. I forget it's video shooting and all.
Okay, okay, okay.
Say.
No problem.
Continue, continue.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. I also want to continue.
Okay.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
Many girls said me, I know how to ride a scooty.
Why you always
When I always first time I debated
no
with
no
you.
no next Sunday you always
Next Sunday means what?
पिछला Sunday को भी sir.
Oh, okay,
हाँ,
okay.
previous Sunday. Previous Sunday you always say boys always.
एक second. I ask a question. Just now I want
Okay.
to ask a question. Why you support teacher? Why?
Teacher?
Have no knowledge anything? Why you support teacher, sir? What means पिछला Sunday?
Oh, sorry. I
Yes,
have a
yes,
knowledge.
no.
I have a knowledge.
You can
I
prove,
am a
you can
being
prove
also human.
which type you have knowledge.
And which type of knowledge you tell me
You
first.
can ask anything. If you have knowledge, I can.
But
Share.
but we are not talking about only you and
Okay,
me.
okay. Please tell me my answer.
We are all
What is
talking
the
about-
reason all girls saying I know how to ride scooty, bullet, and everything, but she can't understand how can ride bike. Why she say I know how to ride a scooty?
then I also say boys always say I can cook. Then I believe
Really, boy also can cook.
girls really
No,
also
no, really,
write.
not only
No,
telling a lie.
You said and I believe. You said and I believe.
Just a
You
girl.
take
Just a
only
girl.
one
Just
girls
a
and
girl.
you prove.
Just a girl riding a scooty, and I just front of see girls. She
You
can't.
take
Why?
only one point and you want
No,
to
no, no,
prove
no.
that
I
girl.
can prove more point. I give you. I can.
Then
give you
I
more point.
always
Say,
then
a
I
second,
also say
let me complete. It is
okay.
good story. A girl's riding with by like a scooty, and just I front of scooty the scooty. She can't using the brake. He is starting. What is this?
Okay,
Okay.
you see one girl and you believe every girls have a no
Yes.
mind.
Yes.
How can say? You means
Just
your
I prove.
if you means your friends, girls friends,
No,
and
I am
you
no girlfriend.
your-
I'm not. I don't
and
need
you have
any
a no sister.
girlfriend.
You have a no sister. You have a no cousin. You means they have a no
No,
mind.
no, I have no cousin, any cousin.
You have a no sister. Huh? Atika also your sister.
No, I don't know what is who is Atika. I
You
don't
know what? You know what? You try to make me fool.
Make me fool.
Yes.
What you say? I don't understand.
You always try to give your best, but you never give your best. You always choose that topic which girls
No, you can. You
girls
can debate
feel
with
nervous.
any topic.
Girls feel nervous. That is the reason you always
I am
pick
able to.
that sentence only scooty, bike.
No. I have more sentence for
Just-
debate.
okay.
may I-
Tell me.
Okay. Second, my quality in boy quality. Boy, if want to go any party, he can't need any good shirt and good pants, good clothes, good shoes. But if any girls want to go to any party, firstly, mama, I want to wait.
What why? What why?
If I speak English, you not understand.
I understand.
Then
I always try to understand.
okay.
Say
Okay. Repeat what I say. Please tell me.
you said if any girls have to go any party, they always
If you understand my sentence, so you can't speak slowly. You just shut up.
what is satak?
Means speed.
What is satak?
Just I explain speed.
They understand. You
Yes.
said I also said oh no. Then why you blame me? You can't use
Okay, give me answer. If any girls go any party, so why she
Because
asking
they-
mommy,
because-
mommy, firstly give me makeup.
boys
give
also.
makeup
Boys
pack,
also.
kit
Boy
and-
also.
Never.
Never.
You
What
can ask
never?
all boy available at this time. Never. Just Irfan by Sajid, anyone. you
Boy,
can see.
boy never want new t-shirt, pants,
No,
shoes.
no.
What? No.
What?
What? No.
Because without new shirt, he also handsome.
Oh, really?
Just sometime I asking, oh, really? What this means?
What you
tell
mean?
me.
You are a very good looking. That's why you said.
Yes, I think I am good looking than you.
Okay, maybe you
Okay.
exception. Maybe you exception. But we are talking about all girls and all boys. That's I also said I am
One
a
day-
very beautiful. I no need to make up.
One day I went Mela like
Fair.
so fair. Thank you, you support me. And I see many girls. I have seen many girls, but all girls facing same to same. Why? Because all the girls using the makeup, and I am very confused. Who see? Who
Why
see?
you
Who see?
confused? You found any girl? Why you confused? Why you should see that girl? What is the interest?
Amazing. Why did you
What is interest?
Because
What because you want to
Because
see
means-
beautiful girl? You found beautiful girl.
No. I also have many beautiful girls in my contact.
And
So I
then-
never want to.
Then why you see? I think
Let
you
me-
no need
listen
to see
me,
her.
Listen to me. Why I see? Yes, this is your question.
You see, you
A girl-
search,
a
you
girl-
search a girl which
No.
who
A
use
girl
makeup.
stolen my purse.
Oh,
Then
really?
I searching where,
and-
but I am very confused.
And
Where she go? Where
you
she
see-
go?
you
But I am
see-
very confused. Who is she? Where go to see that?
and
Then I see all
and-
girls.
and you
I'm
know,
not interested any girl see. I want to see.
you see
Yeah.
you
no,
see
I'm
which
just
girl.
I say I am very confused who is she because
I'm
all girls
not-
also apply the makeup and
I'm not said ki who is she. I'm say who is she. You
What-
means you know who is she.
just seen certain time, but I am very confused. Who is he? Where go? See where?
Because you can't found
Just I never,
because they use makeup.
never.
What never?
Just I say a girl stolen my purse.
Yes.
Then I are searching where she go,
Okay.
Then I say, but I'm very confused where she go.
Then
because
how
all
can
girls
then
same.
how can say a girl's cut your pocket? You how can say a girl's cut your pocket?
I
Maybe
understand.
boys.
No,
maybe
no.
boys.
No. Yes. Just you ask me, but I am not understand. But I just remember what you say.
Yes.
You means you don't see who one cut your purse, but yes, I see who's girls because he's singer and he is styling and go anywhere. He's styling like girls, but why not go anywhere different quality like different
Maybe
personality?
she's a exception. Because I agree, no every girl's that type mentality. And you said every girl use
I
makeup.
think your
You
energy
said
is very low.
no. You
I
said
think just
how
I
can
just thought
say
your energy
how can
low.
say I speak loudly in front
Just-
of you.
Okay.
You said a girl cut your purse. You can't found whose girls cut your
You
purse.
say means
That's
what?
why you say every girl.
You say means what?
What
You say means what?
you said यानी you तुमने कहा. You
When I
said SAID.
means if you use sentence like second sentence, if you use means that sentence is past sentence.
You said
Then-
तुमने कहा. That's I you
Just
said.
I prove if you use the second form, that sentence for only past sentence. Then if you my sentence and my story is past story, then you can use second form. Okay.
Oh, you know what? If I speak
no.
anything and you remind me with the second,
Okay.